Hey there and welcome to today's YouTube video. I'm Adam from About a Van. You can find me on Instagram and YouTube where you are now. So today I'm going to be showing you a few bits and pieces that I bought for the van, and the reason is the van has sold. The new owner wants an outdoor shower put on the back doors, which is going to give him nice hot water for when he's off grid and when he wants to shower after he's been in the ocean. So today I'm going to be running you through the list of items that I bought, so that if you wish to do this yourself, you know exactly what you need to go and buy. So I'm going to start off with this piece of equipment here, which I've chosen, and this is the Bullfinch outside LPG point. It's a really nice feature for any camper van. So what this does is, this one's going to be mounted in the bumper, and it's got a quick release LPG point so that you can run an outside barbecue or an outside propane shower or something like that. And it means that when you're not using it, it just cuts the gas off, it locks in nicely, and then when you're done with it, you put the flap down and it just looks like it's part of your black plastic bumper or another part of the bodywork. So that's a really good addition, and it also means that I don't have to route internal gas work. I can do it all under the vehicle as I've got an external LPG point. They're about 60 quid on eBay, so I'm going to chuck a link in the description below. Another piece of equipment I bought is the Seaflow accumulator tank. Again, I'll be putting a description for that down below. And the reason I'm going to install this is just to smooth out that pressure from the pressure sensing Seaflow pump. So it's going to give you a nice smooth flow of water when you're showering. There's going to be no pulsating or like flickering of the lights inside the van. So that's really going to help with that. This is the hose. You can get this from your local gas retailer merchant. It's just outside LPG barbecue hose, and that's going to be attaching to the quick release point here from the Bullfinch, and it'll be going from that unit there, and it'll be plumbing into this unit here, which I'm going to be showing you any second. So they're the first few bits out of the way, and I'm going to get to unboxing this. So what we've got here, this is the actual unit itself. The box says that the whole package is 7.7 kilograms, so it's quite a light bit of equipment. I was a little bit worried about mounting it to the back doors, but after getting it and feeling how heavy it is, that's going to be absolutely fine with all the cladding that's on the back. The reason this is going to be on the back doors is so that when you open the back doors, this unit has plenty of ventilation because it's not designed for indoor use. So it has a mounting bracket here at the back on the top. Let me just pull that out. It's got some mounting bits on the back here, so it's going to be mounted to the door around the back. The top part here is kind of your exhaust system, so that's where all your hot fumes and gases are going to escape. So you want to make sure that that top area isn't covered at all and it's able to vent outside the vehicle. It looks like this is really easy to do. So you've got, you can set the temperature yourself, minimum and maximum gas, and also water flow there as well. This unit is really inexpensive actually, it's about £180, and again I'm going to put the link to that down below. So that comes there. I've opted for the one with the shower head on it, so I think that's what this is here. And I'm just going to show you the ports underneath in a minute. So yeah, this has got a few things inside, and this is all your fixtures and fittings. It's giving you a couple of spanners there to do your connections on the bottom of the unit. It's given us some hose lock fittings as well, which are going to come in handy when we're fitting the shower unit. Some extra bits and pieces which I'll get around to when I'm fitting it on the van. There's the shower head. I'm not going to take that out right now, but that comes with a hose lock fitting, so that could be put onto probably an outside tap as well. And this is the original regulator that you're going to get with it. That's a certain type of regulator. I'm not going to use that because I do have the underslung gas tank, which already has a regulator. But that's going to be the fitting that goes onto the bottom of this heater unit. So what I'm going to need to do is buy another one of these for this hose here, as I'm not going to be using that at all. And if you've got an underslung tank and you're using a tank further inside your vehicle, then you're not going to need that either. You're going to be going for another type of copper pipe or gas hose like we're going for here. like I said, their fixtures and fittings we'll get around to. And then at the bottom of this unit is where all of your fittings and connections are made. One of these is going to be your water in, which I think is here. It says water inlet. The next one across is water outlet, so that's going to be your shower head. And the other one is going to be gas inlet. So that's going to be the gas hose here, and that's the one that we need to find a connection for. So the next video is going to be me installing this on the van and hopefully having a hot shower. So watch out for that next week. Like I said, click on the description below. I'll be doing a blog post on this so you can find out why I'm using this, if you want to get some more information and get some links. So check that out in the description below. Please subscribe, like the video to see the next one that's coming out, and head across to Instagram to find me on there. Thanks for watching and have a great Sunday.